HeBudgets fam, HeBudgets crew. If it's your first time stopping by, I'm HeBudgets. So to the fam, I've got that Friday night, no work tomorrow energy. I'm sure we've all had it. Get off work. It's been an exhausting week, but all of a sudden you got that energy and you're ready to just keep going. That's how I'm feeling tonight. It's 11:55, and I went to the bank earlier today, and I'm ready to stuff July. If you want to come along, see how it goes, stick around. Let's get it. All right, so it's hot, no shirt. It's time to just kick back. Today, I am going to be stuffing the new regular 460 is what we're stuffing today. 460, and that's what should be in here. I was able to go and get all the cash out that I needed, plus what I was sending back to the bank. So I had that to add to it too. So first we'll count this cash. Be right back. All right, so I'm back. I was trying to get a decent thumbnail, but I was just making a mess with this money. Every time I got it straightened or tried to situate it to get a decent thumbnail, it just fell over, but it's all good. Let's get this money counted is what we started doing before I had to dip off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 100, 1800, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, plus 950. '20s, we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 81,000. One to 20s, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,080, 1080, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, plus 170. And this should be $60. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. And that puts us plus 60 to our $4,060 that we're stuffing. And that's going to take us through the month of July. Good to go. All right, and I did use my sheet to situate my bills to make sure, and you have to excuse the street sounds, window is open. And so went ahead, set all the denominations, and then use the sheet to say how many of each bill goes where. So we're going to stuff. This is good to go, and this is good to go. Hopefully, most of you are resting right now. I definitely won't post this video till tomorrow, which will be Saturday. But like I said, I'm up, and I had done the budgeting earlier today after I did the close of the month and sit in bed. I'm actually catching up on some videos. But I said I may as well come on in here and knock this out. When I get this done, then I can go in, allocate some more money to my sinking funds, and also do my 100 envelope stuffing. I feel like I haven't done that in probably about a week now, so I do have some cash to put in there. Anyway, spending is getting $200 in 20s, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, $200 for spending. I may have seen a couple budgets that were set for July. I know July 1st is tomorrow, so we'll probably see more coming out tomorrow. But have you done your budget already for July? You good to go? 50s, we're getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 50s. And 5 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, those are upside down. They just gonna be upside down. And that puts us at, it should be 250, 51, 52, 20, 40. Did we do that? No, we're doing 350. Sorry, 350 into groceries. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 50 for groceries. Check and check. Gas is getting 250 and it's getting 450s. 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. It is getting 2 20s and 1 10, 250 for gas. 51, 52, 20, 40, 50. And this is stuffing our primary spending binder. If it's your first time or you just haven't seen yet, what I do is I stuff this binder for the month, and then weekly I take out what I need. This go around, my son is getting 113, 110, and 13. He's getting extra this go around just to cover some stuff he has going on for this summer. So throw in some extra cash in there. 100, 10, 11, 12, 13. And household is getting its regular 40, which is going to be 2 20s. I think we have 1 toothpaste. So we'll be getting some toothpaste this month. Fun money is getting its regular 100 in 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I don't think there's any, well, it's 4th of July weekend, but we're not doing anything special. Yeah, that should cover. We are, actually this month is July. We've got our family trip, so later on we'll probably put some extra into fun money, or not fun money, but our family vacation. Stash is getting only $10 this go around, and giving gets stuffed later, as well as green save. So this is all set. Next is our monthly binder and regular monthly bills. Cricket gets its regular 10. Pandora also gets its $10. Cover the Pandora, no commercials. Netflix, we just gonna stuff and keep it moving. 16 for Netflix. And let's see, my phone bill gets $10 for my cell phone. And I'm doing that thing where I don't look up and see where the frame is. Let's see, Primerica savings get $50. And my car payment gets $625. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 600. 20 and 5 for my car payment. Let's see, credit cards this go around gets its regular 27, 20, 25, 26, and 27. So if there's a question, I am a month ahead. So the funds that I'm using right now is the money that I pull out and allocate from June. So this is money I made in June that then goes to cover July. And the money that I'll actually make in July will put to the side until I get ready to stuff August. So right now I come in, I stuff all of my bills for the month. I stuff all my monthly spending. I also put money into my sinking funds. But I do all that at the start of the month. And then throughout the month, I'm using my primary saving to save extra cash. I'm also using money that I'll set aside that either I did not allocate here or that I still have just set aside to then do my savings challenges that I do, like my 100 envelope, and then also my pick and pull. So just kind of a little bit of what I do. For rent, we got 10, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. We're doing 2 50s. We're doing 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And 10s, we're doing 2 10s. 5s, we're doing 1. And this should be 10, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 10, 25. Into rent. And hair, we've got 50 in here. We're putting another 50. I'm going to take this 50 out and basically pulling the 50 that's out of there and putting it away. I didn't get my hair done in June. I did it myself in June, so I saved that. That goes into my Doing Me lock binder. Done. Hair check. Insurance gets 138. 100. Just one. 100. 20. 30. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get in this random dollar. I wonder if I miscounted something. Weird random dollar there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 138 for insurance. This covers life insurance policies. There's that other $1. Okay. Just making sure I calculated correctly. Next, we have savings. And most of these, that's not the right one. This is annuals, actually. Annual savings. And most of these sinking funds are already met. Car registration is set. I'm actually going to pay car registration probably this month. It's due in August. I'll probably get that paid. The money is already there, so I just need to go ahead and send it over. I did already get the registration sheet from DMV. Let's see. Prime Life is getting 46, 20, 40, 45, and 46. That's that last dollar. Dollars are done. 46 in there. And also, if you're wondering, I do not count my binder this first go around. I just stuff it. I'll come back, count, and condense in another video. Providence is met. Annual payments is met. Amazon subscription is met. Car insurance is going to get $100. Car insurance right now is paid through November of this year. So working on December and 5 months of next year. All this one is all set, and because we have this binder all paid up, we are putting $50 into Blue Save. This is just to kind of continue to save it because we didn't pull all this extra out. There would have been more going into Blue Save, but primary saving right now. Sorry, just realized. Not sure what's happening with that view, but you hear me, you follow me. I would have been saving more into Blue Save, but I'm actually putting it into my Vision binder, so I'm using it to stock up the house fund. All right, let's see. Next is family savings. Where's that savings? So that's actually what should be way at the end. So let's see. My son's birthday is met. His birthday is in December. That one's all set. My birthday is in January. It's set. Vacation is getting an extra 50. And this isn't actually the family vacation, but once family vacation comes around, I will have this extra cash if I need it to use. Plus, if anything else comes up this summer, that money's there. Family is set. We are putting in 20 for gifts. And we are doing 50 into Mint Save. So just some extra savings back there. Check. Almost done. Let's see, for vision, and this one's getting full. I'll condense it down. I think for this one, because we've been using pick and pull to stuff this one, I think I'm just going to take out these denominations and put that money aside for pick and pull. So I'm going to put 100 into home. They're all out of order too. 100 into home right now, just a quick save, and then the rest I'll pull out for pick and pull. So 24 was for bedroom, 10 for my son's room. I must have calculated this incorrectly because I've got that only adds up to 25. How did I calculate that? 410. I mean, something else was. No, so it counted different. I didn't calculate these right in here, but there's an extra 20 going into toiletries. That's why it still added up when we're not actually doing anything for toiletries. So I'm gonna just take what these say. We took the 10 for my son. There's a 20 here. There's a 5 here. There's a 10 here. Another 5. Another 10. Another 10. And another 20. This should total 310. It would have been 410, but we did take the other 100 out for what we put directly into the house savings. As mentioned in the house, I'm actually going out Sunday. Talk to my realtor today. She's got another lineup of homes for me. I'm excited again. We'll see how it turns out. This should be 310, 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 93, 510, 310. And I'm just going to set this for now in here. I will use this little pocket. And we'll use that for pick and pull later. All right, keeping it moving. Now we're at savings. And my savings is getting a 50. My son's savings is getting 15. 10, 15 for him. I feel like the view is just off today for some reason. Son is checked. Let's see. Clothing, shoes is getting 15. 10, 15. I mentioned don't eat anything right now, but summer is coming to an end, and we'll just have something put away. Car bills is getting 50 today. Student loan is getting 150. 150. Cash is dwindling on down. We should be wrapping it up. Health is getting 20. And that last 10, which means we did it all correctly. Last 10 is going to Family Day 2023. Family Day, which is July back here. And that's extra. And that's a wrap. Just like that, we are stuffed for July, and I'm not going to keep you. You know what? I had a whole plan of all these these emojis that I was going to throw in there so I could do some giveaways. I'm going to leave it down to one, and I wrote them on here. I was ready. So we'll just do one today. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Put hashtag HeBudgetFam in the comments, and I'll put it on the screen so we can see. So when I go to use the comment search, it'll be the same. But we're going to do capital W, capital B, capital F. We budget, and budgets with an S, and fam, hashtag HeBudgetFam. It'll be here. But I appreciate you sticking in this far. I appreciate you stopping by. July is stuffed. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one. Take care. Peace.